Hi folks, a little more on maples today. Now last time we talked about some of our native maples like this red maple here with the toothy leaf margins. It's fairly distinct. I'm going to talk about some new ones today. This is a silver maple. Now silver maple is considered native. You might find it on some riverside areas, but it's mostly you'll find it as an ornamental in front yards and things like that in parks. Notice how there are really deep sinuses in the leaves between the lobes, very deep, as compared to like a sugar maple right there. So when you see that, that's a hint. The underside of the leaves are whitish to silvery, which is how it gets its name silver maple. So keep that in mind. And their bark sometimes is a little shaggy, like a shagbark hickory. There's also Japanese maples, which we have in front yards a lot. Those little star-shaped leaves, you may have seen them. Now, when we talk about a sugar maple, one thing that can get confusing is this guy. There's a lot of trees out there that some people may even think are sugar maples that happen to be Norway maples. Norway maples are actually even an invasive plant. And they are planted a lot as ornamental trees, though, shade trees. And you'll see this leaf that looks a lot like a sugar maple, perhaps. You could call it a sugar maple leaf on steroids. It has a lot of lobes, up to 7 lobes. It's got very pointy tips. Now, if you notice on a sugar maple, the tips are there, but they're kind of rounded. These, on a Norway maple, there's more points, there's more of them, and they're a little more sharply accented. Some other diagnostics, the bark of a Norway maple looks more like an ash tree. If you break the leaf stem, the petiole, or break the petiole off the stem, it has a milky white sap. Now that's Norway maple. If you break the leaf petiole on a sugar maple, it's very clear. But on Norway maple, it's a white milky sap. That's a very quick indicator of what you've got. And also, if you look at a Norway maple leaf, if I had a measuring tape, I'm betting that the leaf is going to be wider than it is tall. That's also pretty distinct where Norway maple is concerned. This is also a Norway maple leaf. It's the Crimson King cultivar of Norway maple, which is actually pretty common in front yards also. So, I hope all of this helps. Some of these are native, some obviously aren't. It can get a little confusing, but if you know the proper tips, if you know how to compare them, then hopefully you'll know what you've got in front of you. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something, even if it's 1 or 2 little tidbits, and I'll talk to you next time.